Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to my vlog. My name is Riza, Relleve. I'm a YouTuber and I'm a vlogger. And if bago po kayo sa aking YouTube channel, please subscribe and please watch on all my videos. And if you're new here, please check out my Instagram. It's I'm Riza Relleve, and right now we will be doing a unboxing haul and itatry din natin siya. I received the Recellme Korean product skincare. This one guys, pinadala nila sa akin to. And sabi dito, the Recellme is K-Beauty with Cosmetics. Shopping mall is www.resellme.co.kr, and then www.n.resellme.co.kr English. Facebook ID, it's Recellme Global. The Instagram is Recellme-Global. And then YouTube ID, they have YouTube din pala guys, Recellme Global. And WhatsApp number is +82 10 37 82 77 and 11. This is made in Korea guys. And right now, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang akin na-receive na products. I received the 28 days a free toner. Try natin to guys kasi parang nagbibigay sila ng task na itry mo siya ng 28 days kung tatalab talaga siya guys. And then, the second product I received is the 28 days then guys, the a free serum. This is the one guys, serum, and then the toner, and then the last product I received is nature free. So ayun na nga guys, pasensya naman sa aking tiyan na 'di ba? Ang laki kasi nautusan pa ako. I'm back. Keep on watching. I received the third product is the Nature A Free Mask. And then I will update you guys later. I will be back. So hi guys, I'm back right now. Mag-skincare tayo. Unang-una sa lahat, katapos ko maligo or maghilamos, ang una kong ginagawa is cleanser on my face. Kasi syempre, every time na maghihilamos kayo or maliligo, hindi pa rin kayo nakakasigurado na malinis na yung face nyo. Kahit nagsabon na kayo ng face nyo, syempre, we really need to taking care of on our skin, especially on our face for the skincare. Yun lang. And then right now, pagkatapos ko mag-cleanser, the second product I use every time is the toner. By the way guys, the toner I received from Recellme is with T3 25,000 ppm. This is a formulated and hyperallergenic and for sensitive skin like me, kasi sensitive po ang aking balat. And then tested by dermatologists and cruelty free, and then low acidic cosmetics, pH 5.5. and this, by the way guys, this is 150 ml the toner I received from Recellme. This one guys, sobrang nice niya. And then syempre hindi natin maiintindihan kasi Korean products na yung nasa likod. By the way guys, nalaman ko lang sa isang inatenan ko na parang workshop na ang toner pala is napaka-importante na itong toner kasi madami siyang nagagawa. Ang toner po ay talagang kailangan natin sa ating skincare pagkatapos natin gumamit ng cleanser, kasi ang toner pala syempre para siya yung nakaka-absorb ng mga susunod mong gagamitin na products. Pagkatapos mo ng toner, syempre gagamit ka po ng serum or ng mga cream, syempre para gusto mong tumagal or tumalab talaga yung mga products na nilagay mo na yon. syempre kailangan mo daw gumamit talaga ng toner to absorb the next products you will be using. By the way guys, the date today is July 16. So, first day natin tong gagamitin. Kasi sabi dito, the challenge is 28 days natin to itatry kung tumatalab talaga siya. Sa totoo lang guys, nung unang amoy ko dito, para siyang mint na ang bango. Sabi kasi dito, AHA and PHA substance remove dead skin cells and dirt that has accumulated on your skin without any irritation. Peptide 3 helps in wrinkle improvement, and tea tree leaves and various natural substance help moisturize and sooty skin. So guys, ayan na. Ito ang ginagawa ko. Pagkatapos ko mag-toner, yan. By using the Recellme, syempre guys, kapag nililinis nyo yung mukha nyo, isabay nyo na rin yung leeg nyo. By the way guys, tingnan nyo naman, pagkatapos ko ito yung bulak ko by using the cleanser. Diba, biruin nyo guys, kakatapos ko lang maligo, ganun to pa rin kadumi yung face ko. And then the second na cotton na ginamit ko for the toner, ang dumi niya pa rin guys. And then right now, we are going down to the third product. This is the 28 days a free serum. Katulad lang siya no sinabi ko sa inyo na parang procedure from the toner. Ang kinaibahan lang neto is this is 100 ml yung serum guys ng Recellme. And then parehas lang sila ng amoy guys. Hindi ko kasi ma-explain pero kapag nasa inyo na to or gamit nyo na, maaamoy nyo yung mint talaga siya, yung parang dahon na ewan. Kasi sabi dito leaves And right now, ang cute ng ano nila, ng pang-pump. Yung parang sa vitamins lang. And then yan. Serum guys, it's very important. Every day gumamit. And yan. And guys, ang next na gagawin ko naman, patutuyuin ko lang muna tong serum. The next product I will be using is the last product I will be use the mask. Later pag natuyo na to. Yun lang. I will be back. So, hi guys, I'm back. By the way guys, sasabihin ko pala sa inyo ang prices na itong mga products na to na-receive ko from Recellme-Global. The toner and the serum is nagkakahalaga po siya ng Philippine money, 790 pesos. And then the mask is nagkakahalaga naman to ng 50 pesos isa. And then right now, tuyo na yung serum, kaya gagamit na tayo na itong Nature Republic mask. Nature A-Free mask, sorry. So, hi guys, I'm back right now. Nasa huling process na tayo for the skincare by using the Recellme. And right now, i-open na natin ang ating Nature A-Free mask, soothing and moisturizing. Ang sabi dito, 15 to 20 minutes siya tatagal sa ating face. And this is a 23 ml itong mask na to. Ito guys. Tada, oh my god, tumutulo. Right now, bubuksan na natin siya for our face para malagay na natin. Hirap talaga ako guys palagi kapag ingat kasi baka mapunit. Oh my god guys. Yung amoy niya, iba. Ayun na masasabi ko dito sa mask na to. Yun siya ha. Pero syempre, importante yung mask. What time is it? The time is 8:15. So, mga 8:32 tanggalin na natin. I will be back, guys. So, ayan guys, this is all I received from Recellme. Hope you like my skincare by using the Recellme. Ang masasabi ko, I love the toner and the serum. The one I'm using now, kanina, kasi ang bango niya. Pero ang masasabi ko, syempre hindi pa natin masasabi buo kasi first time ko pa lang siya itatry. Sabi kasi doon is 28 days. And then, ang masasabi ko lang, the mask, hindi ko bet yung amoy niya, pero ang nice niya, syempre, importante pa rin ang mask every night. And ayun lang, keep on watching my vlog, and keep on supporting me on my Instagram. I'm Riza Relleve. Yun lang. Ciao, ciao. Bye.